It's uncomfortable. I don't even know why I'm sitting on it. Hey guys, it's your girl Esta, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. And guess what? I have reached 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. You guys really like me after all. And like I promised, yes, there is a giveaway. In this giveaway, the product that is going to be in there is Nay's Happiness, my hair growth serum. Yes, the secret's out. I have a hair growth serum. If you don't know that, yes, I do have a hair growth serum. Yes. Listen, I have progression pictures and all. The rate of hair growth that I have currently is at a 1 year rate, and I'm not even 1 year yet. So imagine me being 1 year. But the progression pictures will be towards the end of this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue. Listen, all you have to do is follow Tnorfe on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, Bunny407, and also follow my personal Instagram, Esta.bunny.p. For my shy subscribers that do not want to be part of this giveaway, baby, I got a discount code for you, baby. So you could be on this hair growth journey with me. Oh, bars. Oh my God, I am on a roll, okay? Listen, the discount code is 200 is me. And honey, if you want to know if this code works in 6 months, or if you're watching this video in 6 months, or probably 3 years from now, we're going to be here for 3 years. Speak it to existence. But if you're wondering, does this coupon code work still? Baby, yes it does, sis. Oh, and bro, I can't forget about you guys. But yes, it will still work. Other than that, thank you so much for the 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you might as well. It's for free. Listen. Some things are not free, but this is free. Don't forget to click that bell notification that's right next to it. That's like literally right under it. Right under it, okay. And don't forget to click thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much, I really appreciate you. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye. Oh, and there's a bonus clip. Okay, bye. Wait a minute, I forgot a few things. What in the world? I don't know where that came from. What I'm trying to say is I have other products on Tnorfe, and I have 31, my new clarifying shampoo, and also Ocean Bliss, which is my hair mister. That baby has been saving my life in the morning time. Hi, it's Side Note Esther here. Sorry, I'm all up in your grill, but I just wanted to say I forgot something. So the turnaround time for the giveaway is in 5 days, and it will be blasted, shouted out on Tnorfe's Hair Care Instagram. Okay, bye.
I'm more than what you want, yeah, I'm what you need. Ain't even trying to stunt, the truth is